Welcome to the journey towards your fittest, healthiest self. Finding the right workout routine can feel like navigating a maze, but fear not, I'm here to be your guide. Whether you're a seasoned gym goer or just dipping your toes into the world of fitness, this video will equip you with the knowledge and tools you need to design a workout routine that suits your unique body and goals. Welcome, everyone, to our journey towards a vibrant and wholesome life. Understanding your body and goals. Assessing your current fitness level. Before diving headfirst into a new workout routine, it's crucial to take stock of where you're starting from. Assess your current fitness level by considering factors such as strength, endurance, flexibility, and mobility. This self-assessment will serve as a baseline for tracking your progress and determining the appropriate intensity of your workouts. Identifying your fitness goals. What are you hoping to achieve through exercise? Do you want to build muscle, improve your heart health, lose weight, or just feel energized and more confident? Define your fitness goals so you can tailor your workout routine to suit your aspirations. Considering your body type and personal preferences. No two bodies are exactly alike, which means that what works for someone else may not necessarily work for you. Take into account your body type, preferences, and any specific physical limitations or injuries when designing your workout routine. Remember, the best workout routine is one that you enjoy and can stick to long term. Exploring different types of workouts. Strength training. Strength training is a fundamental component of any well-rounded workout routine. Not only does it help build muscle mass and increase strength, but it also boosts metabolism and enhances overall functional fitness. Incorporate a variety of strength training exercises, such as squats, deadlifts, press-ups, and rows, to target different muscle groups and prevent boredom. Cardiovascular exercise. Cardiovascular exercise, also known as cardio, is essential for improving heart health, burning calories, and boosting endurance. There are countless options to choose from, including running, cycling, swimming, and dancing. Experiment with different forms of cardio to find activities that you enjoy and that align with your fitness goals. Flexibility and mobility. Don't overlook the importance of flexibility and mobility training in your workout routine. Stretching exercises help improve flexibility and range of motion, while mobility drills enhance joint stability and prevent injury. Incorporate dynamic stretches, static stretches, and mobility exercises into your warm-up and cool-down routines for optimal results. Designing your customized workout routine. Setting realistic expectations. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a fit, healthy body. Set realistic expectations for your fitness journey, acknowledging that progress takes time and consistency. Be patient with yourself and celebrate small victories along the way. Choosing the right combination of exercises. When designing your workout routine, aim for a balanced combination of strength training, cardio, flexibility, and mobility exercises. Consider your fitness goals, preferences, and time constraints when selecting specific exercises and determining their frequency and intensity. Structuring your weekly workout schedule. Establishing a consistent workout schedule is key to staying on track with your fitness goals. Determine how many days per week you can realistically commit to exercise and allocate time for both structured workouts and active rest days. Remember to listen to your body and prioritize recovery to prevent burnout and injury. Fine-tuning your routine. Listening to your body is your best fitness coach, so listen to how it responds to different types of exercise and modify your routine accordingly. If you feel tired or experience pain, cut back on the intensity or change to low-impact activities until you feel ready to ramp things up again. Adjusting intensity and volume. As your fitness level improves, don't be afraid to challenge yourself by increasing the intensity or volume of your workouts. Gradually progress by adding more weight, increasing repetitions, or reducing rest periods to keep your body guessing and continue making gains. Incorporating progression techniques. Plateaus are a natural part of the fitness journey, but they don't have to derail your progress. Incorporate progression techniques such as progressive overload, periodization, and variation to keep your workouts effective and engaging. Experiment with different training methods to keep your body and mind stimulated. Staying motivated and consistent. Setting short-term and long-term goals. Goals give you something to strive for and help keep you motivated when the going gets tough. Set both short-term and long-term goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Smart. Celebrate your achievements along the way and use setbacks as learning opportunities to fuel your determination. Finding accountability partners or communities. Be with like-minded individuals who share your passion for fitness and support your objectives. Whether it's a supportive friend or family member, a workout buddy, or an online community, having accountability partners can help keep you accountable and motivated on your fitness journey. Celebrating milestones and small victories. Don't forget to celebrate your progress, no matter how small it may seem. Every workout completed, every healthy meal eaten, and every personal record broken is a testament to your dedication and hard work. Take pride in your accomplishments and use them as fuel to propel you forward towards your ultimate fitness goals. Congratulations on taking the first step towards crafting your perfect workout routine. By assessing your current fitness level, identifying your goals, exploring different types of workouts, designing a customized routine, fine-tuning your approach, and staying motivated and consistent, you're well on your way to achieving the fit, healthy body you desire. Remember, fitness is not a destination but a journey, so enjoy the ride and embrace the challenges along the way. Here's to your health, happiness, and success. Like, share, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.